Hey guys, just a quick video showing you what tools I used and a few notes on pulling the transmission out of my E39. Car's a 2003 530i, had a P0741 code. I replaced the torque converter. I did a couple videos previously, one on how to pull the transmission. It's a good step-by-step. Did another one on the new torque converter. In the original transmission video, it was a little dark when I actually dropped the transmission. So here's a update. I got the amazing opportunity to do it a second time. The new torque converter failed on me after about 4 days of driving. So I've since installed the TransGo pressure regulator to prevent it from happening. Now I'm pulling the transmission out a second time to change the torque converter again. It looks like the O-ring inside the seal inside the torque converter is bad. So second time around, like I said, I had this transmission out in an hour and a half. I learned the first time around the balance point of the transmission on the jack there is kind of towards the front of it. I learned all the bolts that need to be taken out. And it went real smoothly this time. As far as tools go, I had in quarter drive sockets, I had an 8mm and a 10mm. I used a quarter drive impact driver. I had a quarter drive ratchet and extension. As far as 3/8 goes, I had two different ratchets out. I had an electric impact, a 13, a 16, a 17, an 18. I always use deep sockets. I had several extensions. I had a E10, E12, and E14 torques for the bell housing. The torque converter bolts were 17s. I had an adjustable wrench. I had a 22mm wrench I turned the engine over with. 18 wrench, a 16 wrench, a 13 wrench. And I think another 16 ratcheting wrench, disconnecting the sway bar. So not a whole lot of tools required. Really not a bad job the second time around. If your exhaust doesn't fight you and bolts come loose, not a bad deal. Please subscribe to my channel for more BMW tech do-it-yourself type videos in my garage.